Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install your RAM on your motherboard. So you see these sockets, these long with these single things at the end. Well, press these down so they go back like that. You want to take your RAM stick, preferably Corsair Vengeance. Those are the best. Now you have to place it in the slot until it goes down like this. Now, this is the scary part. You have to press, and actually quite hard. So, till you hear the click, and on the other side, till you hear the click. And then take your second RAM stick. Most motherboards have 4 RAM slots, but because this is a mini ITX, it only has space for 2. Even though when I go into the computer, it says that I'm only using 2 out of 4. Wait. Till you see these go back. See, they're out like this, and when I press, it goes in like that. That's how you install the RAM on your computer. Thanks.